elephant memory, how they really remember. The Indian elephant's reputation for intelligence is well deserved, and their societies are remarkably intricate. But it's their memory that truly stands out. Scientists have observed them recalling watering holes after years of drought, remembering which trees offer the best fruit, and even recognizing individuals they haven't seen in decades. This isn't just about remembering a location, it's about understanding complex relationships, who is friendly, who poses a threat, and where resources can be found. Their memory allows them to navigate vast territories effectively, pass down vital knowledge across generations, and maintain stable social bonds within their herds. Stick around. You're about to learn something wild. But first, tap like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next mind. It plays a crucial role in their survival, allowing them to adapt to changing environments and overcome challenges. Imagine the weight of years of accumulated wisdom stored within their minds. It's a truly extraordinary ability. For years, stories have circulated about elephants possessing incredible memories, tales passed down through generations. These weren't just whimsical fables, they stemmed from countless observations by people who lived alongside these magnificent creatures. Farmers would recount how an elephant seemed to remember the location of a hidden spring after decades of drought, or how an individual appeared to recall a past conflict with humans. Such anecdotes fueled folklore, suggesting elephants never forget, whether it be a reliable water source, a familiar route, or even perceived wrongs. While we're learning that memory in elephants is complex and nuanced, these early observations highlighted something truly remarkable about their cognitive abilities. It's truly astonishing how Indian elephants can navigate such vast and complex landscapes, remembering water sources miles away and recognizing familiar trails after years of absence. Recent research has begun to unlock the neurological secrets behind this incredible skill. Scientists have discovered that their hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for spatial memory, is significantly larger relative to their body size than in most other mammals. Think of it as a massive, highly sophisticated internal map-making system. This enlarged hippocampus allows them to create and retain incredibly detailed mental maps, enabling them to thrive even in challenging environments where survival depends on precise navigation and memory. Imagine navigating a landscape larger than many countries. That's what Indian elephants do daily. They rely on an incredible mental map, and at the heart of this ability lies their hippocampus, a region in the brain critical for spatial memory and navigation. What's fascinating is that Indian elephants have a significantly enlarged hippocampus compared to other animals. This expanded size allows them to create incredibly detailed maps of their vast territories, remembering not just landmarks but also crucial resources like watering holes. Remarkably, they can recall the location of these water sources even after years of drought, a testament to the power and longevity of their spatial memory. It's this ability that enables them to thrive across such expansive and often challenging environments. Imagine navigating a vast and complex rainforest. It's easy to get lost, right? Well, Indian elephants have an incredible advantage in doing just that. They create detailed mental maps of their surroundings. These aren't just based on what they see, though. They rely heavily on scent, too. Elephants possess an extraordinary sense of smell, far surpassing our own. They use those powerful noses to pick up subtle odor trails, the scent of specific trees, fruiting plants, or even other elephants from quite a distance. This olfactory information combines with visual landmarks, like distinctive rock formations or river bends, allowing them to build incredibly accurate internal representations of their territory. It's this combination of sight and smell that allows them to find food sources, locate water, and reconnect with family groups, all vital for survival within the dense rainforest and tropical woodland habitats they call home. It's truly remarkable how elephants retain information across their long lives. This incredible memory isn't simply about remembering where they found water sources or migration routes. It deeply shapes their social world. They possess a stunning ability to recall individual elephants, recognizing both allies and potential dangers often after decades have passed. Imagine the complexity of a herd with dozens of individuals interacting over many years. Elephants remember past interactions, whether those encounters were positive, leading to lasting bonds, or negative, prompting avoidance. This long-term recognition significantly influences herd dynamics. It dictates who forms alliances, who is excluded, and even which paths are chosen during migrations, all based on memories accumulated throughout their lives. It's a testament to the sophistication of elephant social intelligence. The survival of an Indian elephant herd isn't just about strength. It's deeply rooted in generational knowledge passed down through their matriarchs. These are the oldest and most experienced females within the group, acting as living libraries for everything the herd needs to know. They don't simply lead, they meticulously memorize vital information, the locations of seasonal water sources that might only appear during specific times of year, the best routes to avoid dangerous predators, and which plants offer the richest nutrition throughout changing seasons. This accumulated wisdom, passed down through observation and experience, is absolutely essential for navigating their complex environment and ensuring the herd's continued existence. Think about it, a single matriarch can hold decades' worth of knowledge that guides the entire group, a truly remarkable system. It's fascinating to consider how elephants remember, and it turns out they don't just recall where the best feeding grounds are. Research increasingly suggests they possess a remarkable ability to remember negative interactions with humans. These aren't fleeting memories. Evidence points towards them recalling specific incidents of conflict, like crop raiding or encounters with vehicles. This leads to some very interesting behaviors in certain areas. In regions where elephants have experienced repeated clashes with people, you'll often see them displaying heightened caution, a clear reluctance to approach human settlements or roads. They seem to remember the danger and adjust their movements accordingly. It's not just about individual elephants either. This learned behavior can even be passed down through generations, influencing entire family groups. This impacts conservation significantly because it means understanding these historical conflicts is crucial for designing effective strategies. We need to account for past trauma when trying to facilitate peaceful coexistence. Foraging for an elephant isn't just about finding food. Today it's a long-term strategy built on incredible memory. They navigate vast territories, often spanning dozens of square miles, and rely on remembering where fruiting trees are located. Imagine a tree laden with delicious mangoes one season, then bare the next. Elephants don't forget. Years later, they'll return to that same spot, instinctively knowing it will fruit again. This isn't just luck, it's a remarkable ability to recall resources across significant time and environmental changes. It demonstrates an impressive understanding of seasonal cycles and the patterns of their environment, allowing them to thrive even as landscapes shift. This remarkable memory isn't just a quirky trait, it's truly essential to how Indian elephants navigate their world and thrive. They rely on this incredible ability to remember water sources, sometimes hidden for months after the monsoon season or buried deep within dense forest. Generations of knowledge are passed down as matriarchs guide their family groups, recalling routes and locations that ensure survival during dry periods. They also use memory to avoid dangerous areas, remembering past encounters with humans or predators. The ability to recall specific landmarks and terrain features allows them to efficiently forage for food across vast territories, returning to productive patches they've previously identified. Observing this behavior reinforces the understanding that their intelligence isn't just about problem solving, it's deeply intertwined with their capacity to learn from experience and adapt to a constantly changing environment.